Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News. We provide you the latest updated business news. It's Tuesday morning, January 7, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Before we roll on, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. Now, let's roll. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite rose on Monday to more than 1 week highs, boosted by a rally in semiconductor stocks. Chip shares started the week with a bang, helping the stock market largely extend its gains from late last week. Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 25 points, or 0.06% to 42,706. The S&P 500 gained 32 points, or 0.55% to 5,975. And the Nasdaq Composite gained 243 points, or 1.24% to 19,864. Investors applauded a report that suggested the incoming Trump administration could adopt a less aggressive tariff stance than expected. 7 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended lower, but communication services and tech stocks climbed 2.13% and 1.44% respectively. Global semiconductor stocks rallied after Taiwan's Foxconn, a key assembler of Nvidia and Apple products, posted record quarterly revenue. The strong demand for servers to power artificial intelligence boosted chip shares stateside, included advanced micro devices, which gained 3.33%. Micron technology was up 10.45%, and super microcomputer up 9.6%. Nvidia shares 3.4% gain helped them log a record close. Chip makers got a boost from Microsoft's plan to invest $80 billion to develop artificial intelligence enabled data centers. The Philadelphia Semiconductor Index jumped 2.84%. Tech stocks rose despite benchmark 10-year Treasury yield reaching the highest since May. Automakers gained, with Ford rising 0.4% and General Motors adding 3.4%. US Steel stock jumped 8.1% after the Pennsylvania Company and Japan's Nippon Steel filed lawsuits challenging President Biden's move to kill their $14.1 billion deal. Citigroup moved 2.45% higher after a bullish rating from Barclays. An index tracking bank rose 0.22%. Fed Vice Chair for Supervision, Michael Barr, who has sought a range of strict rules on the nation's biggest banks, is set to resign, paving way for the deregulation of banks. In Monday's session, a week-long bond sell-off continued on Monday. The 10-year Treasury yields rose, settling at 4.616%. The yield on the 30-year Treasuries hit 4.836%. Oil prices fell after a 5-day winning streak. Benchmark U.S. crude futures, which closed Monday at $73.56 a barrel, are up 9.5% over the past month. Bitcoin topped $102,000. It rose 3.8% to $102,260. Crypto buying tech firm MicroStrategy said Monday that it purchased $101 million worth of Bitcoin during the last 2 trading days of 2024. In currencies, the Bloomberg Dollar Spot Index fell 0.6%. Spot gold fell 0.2% to $2,635 an ounce. In a week packed with economic data and speeches from the U.S. Federal Reserve officials, investors will look for clues on the pace of monetary policy easing this year. Later in the week, the focus will be on monthly payrolls report. Markets will be shut on Thursday for a national day of mourning to mark the death of former President Jimmy Carter. That's it for today, folks. I'll see you again tomorrow morning. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.